Right, Robbo here. Today I'm going to check out the National Motorcycle Museum at Nabiac. This should be pretty good. I've been meaning to get here for years. Keep driving past it. Finally going to have a look. Alright, Robbo here. Let's check out the National Motorcycle Museum at Nabiac. Let's have a look. There's so much to check out. A bit of everything here. Toys. Oh, I like those little toy Land Rovers. There's a grader. Every boy wanted a grader. There's a Tonka truck. All right. Motorbikes to the sky. What are these old bikes? I don't even know. My dad will know them though. So much interesting stuff. Interesting things. I love this sort of interesting sort of stuff. These old step throughs. Wow. I wrecked one of these when I was a kid. It's a bit like that one. Probably worth a fortune now. They're so rare. So much to film. So awesome. Alright, I'm gonna have to old Suzuki. Ah, she's clean. I don't know what that is. Some sort of custom. Looks fast. Looks very fast. Big displays. That's so cool. There's so much stuff going on here. So busy. Oh, look at that, even ancient motorised push bikes. So cool. There's a reason why this is part of the museum. Amazing. Everything on display. Cutaway bike, or TAFE unit. Just using TAFEs to teach people. Oh, there's so much, it's too much to look at. Those old ones. Old bikes. Beautiful. Yeah, this dude was obviously some stunt rider. I should probably know more about him. There you go. Great display.
People don't get it, so just ride them. You don't get out of the way, you don't get out of the way, kind of thing.
Bit of a sucker for antique toys too. I've got a fair bit of this here. Just took a real shine out of that. Big old station wagon. Couple of antique trains. They're always entertaining, aren't they? This is why I wanted to film this. Check the diorama out. How cool is that? It's so cool. Such an awesome collection of all sorts of stuff. I'm really enjoying this place. Oh, cool little things. Huh? Unreal. And BSA, my dad would like that. This sort of bike. Old stack hack collection. Sidecars. Never been in a sidecar. It's going to be a bit unnerving in some ways, but it'll be amazing. My grandmother used to ride in one apparently, back in the day. Oh, look at these cool old things. They're awesome. Yeah, definitely a particular style of racing bike. Some sort of circuit. Wow. That looks scary. Heap of them. They have their own race. Oh, look at that. Oh, collection of them. Such a range of bikes. for that BSA. Yeah, my dad would like this range. Dad would actually enjoy this. XR, beautiful little bike. I've got a soft spot for the dirt bikes, the old dirt bikes. Now into the back room. A few cars in here. The old Hondas. Such a classic. 480. I love it. Love the old dirt bikes. It's so cool. They're my thing. Everyone has their thing. I love old dirt bikes. A collection of cars as well. Old jalopies. The whole thing. There we go, Lego vintage car. Not cheap, I think. Not very vintage. So many bikes. Alright, now the wall. This is the collection. Old dirt bikes. Love them. Oh, Yami Ag bike. That was a cool bike in its day. Nearly indestructible. Old mini bikes up there. Don't see enough of them. That little Yami. Such a range. So cool. Hey.
Yeah, the old prank.
Bowsers are a bonus. Always look good. Always quite collectible, the old Bowsers. More toys. So many different kinds. Amazing. I think I've got all these bikes, but I'm going to home and get a bit of extra footage. Another cool thing. I don't even know what it is.
That's not something Ryan's got, isn't it? No.
Old cars, eh? The same being saved. It's so good. Collections of everything, oil cans, stinky cars, toys. Chucky doll. Gold. I don't know. Cool pair of cars.
From the UK.
There we have it. Nabiac Motorcycle Museum. Probably one of my quieter videos. Anyway, I've checked it out now. Time to just go and have a regular look and go a little bit slower this time. I can actually check it out properly. Alright, well, I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy this video especially. Check it out. I've got one at the Holden Motor Museum as well. It's definitely worth checking out. And the Nabiac Motorcycle Museum. This is a premier museum. People come from all over the world to check this museum out. So definitely worth having a look at this video, and then definitely make the effort to come to Nabiac and have a look at it, because if people don't go and see it, then this stuff disappears. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed my video. Share, like, subscribe, all the good stuff. And I'll see you outdoors and on the road. Alright, Robo here signing out. Nabiac Motorcycle Museum. I'll catch you on the next clip. Later. You!